welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing y'all my curly hair routine, and I'm just starting off with a mask. I try to do these every other week, I would say. I probably should do it more. And yeah, don't mind that honey label because anyone who works in a restaurant knows you've probably seen it around, but you know, mind your business. Yeah, but anyways, I'm taking 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, and then I just used the rest of my conditioner that was in my jar. And I'm basically just going to be lathering that throughout my head. You know, you see how like dirty and dry my hair looks? Yeah, it's been neglected. I hate to say it, but it has. And it itches really, really bad. I just decided to pour the rest on my head, and that did not go well. I hope you guys enjoyed my face because I had honey all over me. Like, I was so sticky after I did that. Okay, so after I you know, scratched my scalp off, no, not really, but after I just put that throughout all my hair, I just rewrapped my hair up in one bun, and then I put a heat shower cap on. I don't really know what you call it, but I left that on. You want to leave it on for at least 30 minutes. I actually left mine on 2 hours because with my kids I couldn't shower right after. So yeah. Okay, now I'm back, and I forgot to show my product. As you can see, it's already on my hands, but this is freshly washed hair. This is what my hair looks like right after I washed the mask off, and I just used my Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish shampoo and conditioner, And now I'm just taking the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, Sleek and Shine, and I'm just raking that through my hair all over. This product doesn't really weigh down my hair, but I'm kind of in the place where I'm trying to find products that work for my hair. So this is just what I do. It's really just experimenting because the products that used to work for my hair no longer work for my hair. So I'm kind of struggling right now, but I don't mind the results. So I just go with it until I find something that I really like to get my bouncy, coily curls back. Okay, so I detangled in the shower, but I also take my comb and I detangle with after I put my leave-in conditioner in there. And now I'm just gonna go in with some curl cream by Cream of Nature, and I'm just gonna basically kind of squeeze this into my hair and kind of scrunch it throughout my whole head. And yeah, I'm not sure if you guys know any products, like if you have my type of hair and you have products that work for you, please comment them down below, because I've been struggling with postpartum hair loss and postpartum shedding. So it's been a struggle, and nothing that I use right now really gets my hair to where I want it. So like I said, I'm experimenting, but I like the result that this little regimen did for my hair. Okay, so now I'm actually taking my brush and I'm just going to take sections of my hair and just brush through it to clump my curls together to try to get them as defined as possible. Okay, so after I get through brushing my hair, I'm gonna take some gel and I'm just gonna scrunch it throughout my hair. I'm using the Eco Styler gel here, which is probably not the best choice, but hey, like I said, experimenting. But if y'all have any recommendations for gel, please comment them down in the description box below. I'm up for anything at this point, anything that does not make my hair hard. I don't like that. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the products that I put in my hair for my curly hair routine. Now I'm just going to take a microfiber towel and I'm just going to scrunch all the excess moisture out of my hair just to help it kind of dry faster and make sure there's no extra product just sitting on top of my hair. and bam, we have a catfish. No, I'm just kidding. But that is the final look. Here I'm just picking out my curls just to try to give it more volume. But I am pretty impressed with the results. It's not too bad. My hair in the front is always a little bit more frizzy, so I don't really mind that. But yeah, for all of you who asked for my curly hair routine, here it is. This one was for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you'd like to see this makeup look or how I got this makeup look, the video will be posted in the end card. So wait till the very end and go ahead and head that way to watch that video. But for now, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me. And yeah, I'll see y'all next week.